Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Square login problems, account and app errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your internet connection is stable by opening a few websites or another app. Turn off VPN or proxy services because they can block Square authentication. Check if Square is experiencing an outage by visiting Square status in your browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address or phone number linked to your Square account. Re-enter your password carefully and verify caps lock is off. If you forgot the password, use the Forgot Password option and complete the reset from the official email. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Square verification or security messages. If you use two-step verification, confirm your phone has signal and the correct time is set automatically. Try requesting a new verification code and enter the latest code only once. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically. On Android, go to Settings, System, Date and Time, and enable Automatic Date and Time. Force close the Square app completely and reopen it to clear temporary login glitches. Restart your phone to refresh system services that the app depends on. Update the Square app from the App Store or Google Play to the newest version. If the app is up to date, uninstall Square and reinstall it to replace corrupted files. After reinstalling, open the app and allow required permissions like network access and notifications. Clear app cache on Android by going to Settings, Apps, Square, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the issue persists on Android, tap Clear Storage, then sign in again with your saved credentials. Check your device storage and free space if it is nearly full because apps may fail to load. Disable battery saver or data saver modes that can restrict Square background services. Try logging in from a different network, such as switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try logging in on a different device or on a desktop browser to isolate whether it is device-specific. If browser login fails, clear cookies and cache. Then try an incognito or private window. Confirm you are not using an old bookmarked link and instead go directly to the official Square sign-in page. If you see an account locked or suspicious activity message, follow the on-screen steps to verify identity. Review any recent changes like a new phone, new number, or new email and update them in account settings if you can log in. Contact Square support from the official help site and provide the exact error message and time it happened. Keep screenshots of the error and note your device model, OS version, and app version to speed up support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.